Hi friends, this is Alvin. Let's learn 100 three-letter words.
H-A-T,
Hat,
C-A-T,
cat,
B-E-D,
bed,
M-U-D,
mud,
D-O-G,
dog,
R-E-D,
red,
S-A-Y,
say,
T-A-N,
tan,
H-E-N,
hen,
D-A-P,
tap,
I-C-E,
ice,
R-U-N,
run,
S-A-D,
sad,
C-U-T,
cut,
P-E-N,
pen,
B-A-Y,
pay,
B-O-T,
pot,
R-A-T,
rat,
D-A-D,
dad,
B-I-N,
bin,
M-A-T,
mat,
B-A-T,
bat,
B-O-X,
box,
F-I-G,
fig,
S-U-N,
sun,
B-U-S,
bus,
M-U-G,
mug,
B-O-W,
bow,
D-O-T,
dot,
L-I-P,
lip,
O-W-L,
owl,
A-N-T,
ant,
A-P-E,
ape,
W-E-T,
wet,
E-Y-E,
eye,
E-A-R,
ear,
F-O-X,
fox,
L-E-G,
leg,
P-I-N,
pin,
L-O-G,
log,
N-A-P,
nap,
C-O-W,
cow,
B-I-G,
big,
N-E-T,
net,
K-E-Y,
key,
S-K-I,
ski,
S-U-M,
sum,
D-R-Y,
dry,
W-E-B,
web,
WIN.
Win.
EAT.
Eat.
HIP.
Hip.
TEA.
Tea.
ART.
Art.
KID.
Kid.
BEE.
Bee.
SEA.
See.
TEN.
10.
CAN.
Can.
FUN.
Fun.
GUN.
Gun.
TOE.
Toe.
FIT.
Fit.
ARM.
Arm.
PIG.
Pig.
VAN.
Van.
JAM.
Jam.
FAT.
Fat.
FAR.
Far.
ZIP.
Zip.
MAN.
Man.
SIT.
Sit.
CAP.
Cap.
COT.
Cut.
PEG.
Peg.
BAT.
Bat.
MAP.
Map.
FAN.
Fan.
SIP.
Sip.
RAM.
Ram.
DIG.
Dig.
GUM.
Gum.
HIT.
Hit.
WIG.
Wig.
ROW.
Row.
RUG.
Rug.
BUN.
Bun.
ACT.
Act.
NEW.
New.
GAS.
Gas.
SEW.
Few.
INK.
Ink.
JUG.
Jug.
JOG.
Jog.
OLD.
Old.
PAW.
Paw.
TWO.
Two.
YAK.
Yak.
HOP.
Hop.
P-E-T.
Pet. Now it's quiz me time. Let's see how much you remember. Can you guess this one? It's a fan. Can you guess this one? It's a pig. Can you guess this one? It's ski. Can you guess this one? It's a jug. Can you guess this one? It's a can. Can you guess this one? It's a bat. Can you guess this one? It's a hat. Can you guess this one? It's a map. Can you guess this one? It's sad. Can you guess this one? It's a box. Can you guess this one? It's a fig. Can you guess this one? It's a sun. Can you guess this one? It's a bus. Can you guess this one? It's a mug. Now let's unscramble the words. Can you unscramble the word looking at the picture? It's sip. Can you unscramble the word looking at the picture? Ram. Thank you all for watching.